Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Halloween Vignette with DIY Challenge 2019 hosted by Gleeza from MadeWithGlee. And she wanted us to make something, a DIY for Halloween and style it on a vignette. So I decided I want to make a tray, and this is the tray I picked. It's from Walmart. Let me show you a little bit better. It's $297 from Walmart, and I want to paint it using this walnut color from Harris Paint, and I'm gonna give it a little dry brush, no, that's not the effect, a little paint, scatter paint from that gold color. And also I will be using this mirror contact paper, and I'm gonna show you how to use that one. Now that it's all painted, as you can see, we are going to use our mirror contact paper, and this one, it's one that has this film on top and you have to remove it after you apply it. First, we're going to take our contact paper and we're going to measure and cut what we need. And I'm going to remove the back part of my contact paper and start adding it to my tray. Just like that. I'm not removing the film that it has on top because I don't want that to get stained with fingerprints or when I'm cutting and all of that. Now we're going to use a box cutter or an X-Acto knife to cut the edges of our tray. Those that you see there. And now, using my box cutter, I'm cutting a little bit of the paper at a time. You can remove the film from the tray and it will be a lot better and a lot faster, but I didn't do it for this side and it takes a little bit more time to remove. And as you can see, I'm taking it off so I can cut the other corner, and this one I'm having a lot of trouble, and I removed it and I cut it. And this is how it looks. I'm just removing all the bubbles we have. And now I'm gonna start painting our words. And we're gonna make Harry Potter's Chamber of Secrets mirror on this tray. So I'm gonna put some paint, red paint, and let it drip so it just looks like paint is dripping on the mirror. That's why I'm holding the mirror like that. And it's looking so spooky and so cute. And I'm adding a little bit more paint on my letters so it can drip. Now this is how it looks. So let me style my vignette. For my vignette, I'm gonna use my tray that I DIY'd. I'm gonna use those potion bottles I bought from Walgreens like 4 years ago. I don't remember how much I paid for them. And also we are going to use this black pumpkin from Walmart. I paid 98 cents last year. And this skull from last year, $2.98 from Walmart also. This cute spider, I don't remember where I bought it, but it's from last year. This cute pumpkin that my kids adore, and it's really old, and as you can see, they use it to play and they love it. So I have to add it. Also, I have this sign, blue sign that my kid loves. And, of course, I'm going to add some spider webs to my vignette. So I'm going to prepare my vignette and let me show you how it turned out. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have over here our skull, the cute mini spider, the pumpkin that my kids love, one of the black pumpkins over here, the 2 potion bottles over there, and another black pumpkin on the back with spider webs. And I made a bigger vignette that I want to show you right now how it looks. And as you can see, I added my sorting hat, my sign, the bee sum over there, and a lantern. And this is how it looks. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Gleeza's channel. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love my Halloween decor. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up if you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care, bye bye.